Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Shop. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today we are doing one deep challenge. I saw this a lot of like influencers, makeup gurus are doing this challenge, and I wanna do a challenge on myself too. So I saw a naked tutorials, James Charles, Manny MUA, and Kathleen Light. So I forgot who started this. So yeah, let's dive in. Okay, first let me put my headbands. So I don't have anything on my face. Well, I moisturize my face. So let's start with our brows. Oh my goodness. Let's see. And I'm using Anastasia Dip Pro Pomade Medium Brown. I use this one because it's easy, you know. It's easy to just one dip. Let's see if I'll try. So just one dip for both my brows. Good luck. So I think it's not cheating when I put it here. Okay, put it there. So let's see. Okay, I think our brows is good already. Okay, it's a little bit cheap. It's a little bit cheap because I put the products here in my hand. So I think that is good already. And let's go to our eyes. And for my eye primer, I'm using Paint Pot by MAC and Soft Ochre. And of course, I'm just gonna do one dip. Oh my goodness. I choose this one because this is the only eyeshadow primer I'm using. So let's see if it's good for two eyes. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think it's good. Okay. Dip it too much. Yay! And then I'm just gonna put powder. This is not comfy. And for our eyeshadow, I'm using Soft Glam by ABH because ABH has a good pigment, although the payoff is like but the pigment is really good. Now only one dip for both eyes. Oh my god, good luck. Let's see. So I'm getting the sienna. This sienna. Oh my god, oh my gosh, for both eyes. Okay, and then sorry about that. And then maybe I will tap a little. Okay, I need. Ooh, wow, hello big mix. Oh my gosh, just a little. Oof, I think I made it. Ooh, this is hard because I know I can't dip again. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, thank you, Anastasia. Oof. Oof. And then I'm just gonna grab a, what is this, clean brush. I'm just gonna whew, that's a little bit intense. Crazy. Okay, for our second shadow, I will use Cypress Amber. I'm just gonna put it outside. Ooh, let me see. Ooh, I'm thinking. Yeah, Cypress Amber. Ooh. Just one dip. And I'm just gonna tap. Oh, okay, that's a lot. Let's see. I'm just gonna put that outside. Yeah, I think that is good already. Oof. Let me go back on my brush, but I'm not gonna dip it. That's the first eyeshadow that I'm using, but I'm not gonna dip it. Different eyeshadow. So next eyeshadow I'm gonna use Mulberry. I think this one, the Mulberry. I know the pigment is really messy. Pigment, I mean the shadow. You need to like blow them, but I can only use one dip. Okay, let's put that in the middle. I am not happy about it, but whatever. I can't beat more. So for our last shadow that I'm gonna use, oh my goodness, I'm just gonna use my finger, and I will use the sultry. It's gonna be like copper. Oh my god, it's dark. Whatever. Dark shadow. Oh my god. I don't know. I'm not happy with my eyeshadow, but it is what it is. I can't get more. So yeah, let me clean up a little bit under my eyes, and then we'll proceed to our face. Okay, before I will proceed to my face, let me finish the eyeshadow under my eyes. I will put the first shadow. I'm just gonna dip one. This is of course different because it's like under my eyes. One. Oh my goodness. I can see a little patchy on my shadow, but it is what it is. Okay, just one dip. That's it. And then the Cypress Amber, one dip also. I'm not showing my shadow, but yeah. And then let's proceed to the mascara, and I'm using Tribe Cosmetics. This is Tribe Liquid Lash Extension Mascara, and only one dip. And also the bottom of my eyes. So let's see. I'm not gonna use what is this? Fake lashes. So ooh. Yeah, yay! Only one dip. I think I can put more on my top of my eye. Okay, I think my eyes is done. Yay! let's proceed to my face. Okay, for my face, I only use one primer, and of course my favorite, no Poreblem. Look, it's almost gone, but I have more. So only one pump. Ooh, I think that's a lot already. So put it in her face. Okay, oh thank God, that is smooth. So let's proceed to our foundation. And for foundation, I am using Woke Up Like This by Makiage, and color 100, only one pump. Oh my goodness, one pump. Oh my God, please. Ugh. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, I think this is enough, because this is very full coverage. Oh my God, only one face. Oh my goodness, I think I need more. But that's okay, that's okay. We just put more of the concealer then. Oh my God. Whew. I wish I could get more, but okay, let's proceed to our concealers. And concealers, we are using Jeffree Star, Magic Star concealers, and C9. And only one dip, that's it. Get more. Okay, so this is so good. I don't usually put concealers on my face. I mean here on the side, but we don't have enough foundation. And for our powder, I'm using Becca translucent powder. Oof, and I can only do one dip. Okay, oh my God, that's it. Okay, squib. Let's bake a little bit. Okay, and for our contour, I am using Park Princess by Tarte, and I'm using the angle color. So, oh my God, I'm getting a lot of products here. So, oof, I hope it's enough. Oh my goodness, I'm getting too much. Putting it slowly so I can spread it on my face. Okay. Yeah. Let's proceed to our blush. And for blush, I'm using the Balm because they have a good pigment. The Autobalm Girl Power powder in, what color is this? BourBon. So before I there's nothing in my brush, so I'm just like getting all the powder in my face because I forgot. Okay, now let's dip. Only one for blush. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, is it a lot? Okay, don't you worry, it will come along. It's like I'm doing contour with my blush, and just using my sponge to work. And yeah, and then let's proceed to highlights and then lips, and then we are done. And for our highlights, I'm using Anastasia Amrezy. I know it's not available anymore. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is my highlights. And yeah, just one dip. And for our lips, I'm using Kylie's matte liquid lipstick and Boss. So I'm using a liquid lipstick, so I don't need to put liquid lip liner. Not liquid, but lip liner. Oh goodness, only one dip. Oh, okay, look. We are done. Yay! I'll be back, guys. And for our last step is our mist. Oh my goodness. This is from Skin & Co. Only one. No, it doesn't spray. Oh my god, that's it. Yeah. But it's like, it almost ruined my makeup. Dang, that's a bad choice there. Oh my god, I'm gonna ruin my eyeshadow. Okay, let's gather our thoughts and I'll be back. And this is our final look. Yay! For our one dip challenge. What do you think, guys, of my full look? Like, I'm trying to like what you call this, like thinking what eyeshadow I'm gonna use. So I think the ABH Soft Glam is a good choice for me because yeah, I got a good pigment. Although if I have a choice, I will dip it again because I can see a little bit patchy on my eyes. But what do you think, guys? And of course the lips is awesome. Like, it's very pigmented that I don't need to dip it more. So yeah, I know this is a challenge, and I still have fun doing it. And if you want to do it in your channel, the one dip challenge, let me know, and maybe comment, I mean, tag me so I can see it and I can, support you. So thank you for watching. And of course, always remember that there's always